kind of switch. This is called normally open switch. And then if you have this kind of switch, normally closed. So this is what's called normally closed switch. So if you don't energize, this is like a relay, right? If you don't energize the switch, this thing is on. Once you energize it, this thing will get energized, which means this thing starts on, this thing turns on. Okay? So when I turn the switch, basically, normally open ones stay open, unless I do something to it. But normally closed ones stay closed. So when I plug it, basically if I have normally closed switch, the light will come on without doing anything. Right? But if I activate something, this will turn on and then this will turn off. So if the relay is activated, this will turn on. If the relay is deactivated, this will turn on. Okay? Normally closed switch is that. So OMs are always normally closed. See that. So, this is just a logical one-line diagram.